Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be frying a catfish. This will be the answer to the question of how I fry my catfish, and I'm going to be using this particular type of fried catfish in a lot of my meals, so I'm just going to do a video about it right now on how I do this. Oftentimes my catfish I usually buy, wash, and I freeze them, and that's how I have it, the way I have it right now. So as usual, I'm going to cut out the flesh from the bone, and I'm going to do that for everything basically. Once done with that process, you want to have your cuts into a bowl. I'm going to have my paste here: blended tomatoes, pepper, onion, garlic. I also use this paste a lot, so I always have it in the freezer. Add in some salt, a little bit of seasoning, and you want to massage everything into the fish. And when done, you want to close and set it aside. Allow this to marinate a little bit. I'm going to mix some coating, so I'm starting with flour, adding some salt to taste. I'm going to put in some black pepper, and this is breadcrumb. You want to add some breadcrumbs to your mix. Mix everything together. Once you've got your breadcrumbs in, I'm going to whisk one egg, and after doing that, I'm going to pour it into the fish and mix this into the fish. The idea is to kind of like make the fish a little bit sticky, and different people with different strokes, so people do this in different ways, but this is how I make mine. Once you're done with that, you want to have your fish into the flour, basically coating everything. You want to have your pan on now with oil, and once the pan is on, fry on. I like it when it's golden, and some people might want it a little bit drier, but for me this is fine. This is what I have after frying. I'm going to have this with jollof rice. And this is basically dinner for me. I hope you like it, and yeah, just for no reason I added ketchup, so preference really. If you like this, please subscribe, like, send in your comments, and don't forget to hit the bell icon just to make sure you know when a new video comes in. Thank you guys. See ya later.